Hello everyone, this is Kenneth Fax. I'm here to make the video submission for the Solar Innovation Challenge. The focus will be on solar IT hybrid and management. That being said, there's going to be quite a bit of innovation using AI, current governance data pertinent to the solar industry. We'll have the ability to be able to train individuals to maintain those dashboards and to train for higher paying jobs within the rural areas where there's a need for solar agriculture and hybrid IoT resources. Okay, so that's it, and we're also looking at forward to establishing these within opportunity zones to help out the local communities. Okay, thank you. Bye.